already taken you to the ends of the earth.
Wow.
Shown you incredible landscapes and introduced unlikely heroes.
I am Puss in Boots. My thirst for adventure will never be quenched. Let's go.
The next adventure takes it to a whole new level.
This is the start of a new era. Can I get a whoop?
Introducing the DreamWorks Channel on TV, tablet, phone, and straight to your imagination. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. With more original content.
You ready for this?
Than any other kids channel.
Watch out for the wall.
It's gonna be cool, crazy,
Wow. Just wow.
and incredibly shiny.
Yeah!
Introducing the DreamWorks Channel.
Really?